Hey friends, what's up? My name's April Strong and I have a really quick update for you to add a grid view to Google Meet. My daughter is in second grade and she just had the most exciting virtual meeting for the first time with her teacher and her classmates. It was really exciting for her to see all of her friends after being apart for a couple weeks now. The one thing that she mentioned and her other friends in class mentioned was they wish they could see more faces on the screen at one time while they're in their virtual meeting space. Friends, there is a way, after Google rolled out just a couple days ago, a new extension you can add to your toolbar. It's really easy to do. It's called Google Gridview for Google Meet, and it will allow you to see video tiles across your whole screen so that you can see everyone who's in your virtual meeting. In order to add this really quick, look at the bottom right-hand corner of your Google Meet view currently, click the three dots, and select Change Layout in the menu options. I currently have Auto selected, which means when there is audio happening in this video call, that video tile will appear on my screen. You can also select Sidebar, which will show you the person speaking, as well as up to 4 video tiles off to the right-hand side. That was a pretty decent option for us in her virtual meeting space, but this left my daughter and her classmates wanting to see more faces. Coming out of this view, I also want you to check out the upper right-hand corner. Right now we have 2 icons. This first icon with the little people shows me how many people are in our virtual meeting space currently. It's just me, but if there were other students in the room, you would see this number changing. You can also click the speech bubble to show you the messaging side of Google Meets, and this is where you can type in anything that you need to say without audio. In order to add a grid view, super easy, you want to open up a new menu to Google search and just simply type in Grid View Google Meet. Select the Grid View Google Meet from the Chrome Web App Store. Select Add to Chrome. Add extension when that pop-up menu appears, and you will see a new icon now pop up on your toolbar. This will also tell you a little bit more about adding the Google Meet Grid View to your toolbar extension. To see any changes happening in Google Meet, you first need to end any current calls that you're in, so I'm going to go ahead and end this. Take a look once more at the top right-hand corner of our screen at the icons as I end this call. Now when I rejoin this virtual meeting space, any new settings will be applied. As I rejoin now with that, remember we've added that web extension, we have a new icon here. So when I click join now, I have a new icon in the upper right hand corner. When I hover over that, I see some new options. I can have just the participant that have video appear on my screen, which means if I had more people in my virtual meeting space, those that have the ability to show video would be tiles iconed on my window space. Let's say I have 20 students and myself, I would have little boxes across the screen of those students that have video. I can highlight the speaker, which means if I have this option selected, when this person is speaking, audio is heard, their tile will appear a little bit larger on the screen or maybe potentially in the center of the screen. Quite honestly, I haven't been in a room yet with Gridview to know how the speaker is highlighted, but it'll either be a little bit larger of a tile or it'll move to the center. And maybe you don't need to see your own video tile. So if you deselect this, your video tile will not appear in the grid view. If you select it, you will be part of that grid view. I must say, in any view that you're using with Google Meet, please keep student privacy in mind. While it's really exciting to see your students or for your child to see their classmates, please do not take screenshots and share those on social media. We don't have permission to share other people's children's pictures or their names on social media sites. This is still a protected and private virtual meeting space for yourself and for your students. So with or without that grid view, as cute as they are, please make sure that you keep student privacy in mind and you're not screenshotting and sharing on social media all of the different picture tiles and little student faces as we're engaging in a new way. Also, if you want to quickly remove this, maybe you don't like the grid view feature after trying it, all you need to do is right click with your mouse, remove from Chrome, remove from the menu option, and now when I end this Google meeting, to reset any new settings that I have, I'll rejoin, and you'll notice that now the grid view option is gone. Really easy to add this extension to your toolbar and really easy to remove so that you can adapt your screen view and hopefully help you rock remote learning. Hey, you've got this. Love, April Strong.